Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good and healthy. This is your English class and today our topic is articles. So, in this video we will learn the following. What are the articles? Kind of articles, how to use articles. So, articles. Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. Kinds of articles: indefinite article, definite article. Indefinite article are to, a, an, and definite article the. Okay, students? So now we will study use of indefinite article. How to use this article? First, it is used only with singular nouns like girl, boy, toy. You will use only with singular nouns. Okay? It is used the first time we speak about something. When we are speaking anything about anything first time, then we use this article. And is used before words that start with these vowel sounds A, E, I, O, U. For example, like an apple, an owl, an orange, an R, like this. So we will use an with the vowel sound words, right? So here are the example also: a girl, an umbrella, a bee. Okay. Now, how to use definite article? So first is it is used with singular and plural nouns. So you can use with singular nouns also, which is special, like the sun, the star, and with plural noun also, the books, the films, like this, right? It is used after we have used a and an to speak about something before. Like for example, if we are speaking I have a red pencil, then again if we are speaking about pencil, the red pencil is lost. So we will use the if we are speaking about anything, again after using a and. Refer to something specific. If something is special, then we use the. For example, the Taj Mahal, the Bible, the sun. They are special, so we are using the. Now, students, stop your video and fill in the blanks. First, blank. Neil is in Egypt, isn't it? Where are blank boys? Aren't they at blank cinema? A dash duck is dash bird. Where are dash Canary Islands? I don't know, but I know dash Himalayas. It was dash honor to meet you. So I hope you did the exercise already. So we are moving on. Now next exercise. First, dash apple dash day keeps dash doctor away. Second, dash old gardener is watering dash plants. Third, I have dash red pencil. I lost dash red pencil yesterday. Next, now you have to write the words from the box under correct headings. So here you stop your video again. These are the words given in the box. You have to find out which article they are, under which category they come. So like you have to put under the categories of indefinite and definite article. Next, I hope you have done. So we will move on next. So exercise again. So now again stop video and do this exercise. We saw blank zebra and blank owl in the zoo. There is blank talking parrot on entrance gate. And the second is there is blank orange book on blank teacher's table. But it's not blank one that I am looking for. Blank book I want has blank brighter cover. So you have to fill the suitable articles in these blanks. Okay students? So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.